Coming up in this Brightline construction update. This update looks at the installation of the final girder at Turkey Creek. Turkey Creek is located in Palm Bay, Florida. When I arrived, crews were preparing the new girder for installation and finalizing the rigging for the crane. Its installation will complete the second half of the new double-track bridge here. In addition to being the final girder here, it is also the last of 108 girders to be installed as part of Brightline's overall Orlando expansion. This is a major milestone on the project and brings the expansion one step closer to opening for service in 2023. And here it is, lifted off of the temporary work trestle and beginning to be swung into place. I have sped the video of this process up. A banner had been hung on the girder as part of this milestone, listing Brightline, primary contractor HSR Constructors, and bridge subcontractor Johnson Brothers. You can see 3 steel diaphragms on the middle girder already in place. These will be bolted to this final girder to physically link these girders together. Swung over to where it would be installed, they began the slow process of lowering it into place. Once it was close to the final position, come-alongs were attached on both ends to help pull it in closer to the final position, so crew members could connect the steel diaphragms underneath. This is a unique bridge on the project, as it is made up of both steel and concrete spans. A steel span is in the center, over the navigational channel, while concrete spans are on either side. This new bridge does have slightly increased clearance compared to the old bridge here. Clearance is not an issue with this bridge, as the US 1 bridge in the distance sets that height, along with the relatively shallow nature of Turkey Creek, preventing larger boats from accessing it as well. With the girder in place, crews will shift their focus to completing the bridge deck, adding walls to form the ballast trough, and adding the service walkway. The temporary work trestle will also begin to be removed relatively soon. The form at the end of the bridge is for the new approach slab, which eases the transition onto the bridge. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also check out my social media pages.